Imagine a big table full of numbers like this one. It is hard to read, right? Now if we take an empty rectangle and start to use some techniques to insert data inside of that rectangle, we start getting something completely different and more easier to read, right? That's what this series is about, data visualization with Python. This is a tutorial about the Plotly Express, a very simple and easy to use Python library. And in this series, we will cover a lot of plots that you can use for data analysis. You won't need to download any dataset for this series, and each episode will be very simple and short. Starting this series with the line plot. First of all, let's import Plotly Express as px, which will give us access to all the Plotly capabilities. And as I told you before, you won't need to download the data. We can use datasets that Plotly has available. For that, you assign the df to px.data.gapminder, and you will get the dataset with information like life expectancy and GPT per capita for each country. But let's narrow down our dataset to the Oceania continent. To make a line plot with Plotly Express, start by calling the px.line with information like the data source, the df, the column that contains the data for the x-axis, as well as the data for the y-axis. And in our case, let's add the country in the color, which allows us to have a line per country. One thing that I love about the Plotly Express is that it is also very interactive. For example, you can see the data more in detail when you cross the cursor. You can also zoom out and zoom in, or move the plot in any way. And if you are like me, you also enjoy to see things well done. So let's add a descriptive title and write life expectancy per country. Great, here it is. And as perfectionists, we are not done yet. By adding this label dictionary, we fix these lowercase labels. And aha! I must say that our labels are now perfect. Another interesting thing that you can do, and you may want to know, is how to change the size of the plot. And for that, you can add with any number the width and the height of the plot. And now, this is one of my favorite features. I don't know why, because we can take simply screenshots, but I love it. We can download this plot as PNG and use it anywhere. You can add it to any document or even to show you to your boss. If you want to become a beast in data visualization, don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video in this series. I hope to see a comment from you. Peace out.